Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy contour tutorial using a Todd Beauty Sonicblend. So I'm going to start off priming my face with Murad Perfect Shield. Next I'm going to fix my under eye circles with Tarte Shape Tape. I use the color Light Medium Honey. I use the typical beauty blender to pat out this concealer and evenly distribute it through my face. Next to add foundation, I use Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I'm in Honey Bronze 4W1. I use a different beauty blender to pat this throughout my face, and it kind of blends because it's liquid with the Shape Tape. I add a little bit more concealer to get that bright highlight look on my cheeks. To keep the liquid from sticking onto the powder when I begin to contour, I use Laura Mercier setting powder, but today I'm using Tarte because it's what I have on hand. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette with my Todd Beauty Sonicblend makeup brush. So I'm going to put it on the highest speed. I like to use this middle shade because I'm pretty fair, medium skinned.
The Sonicblend rechargeable brush has a patented sonic technology that moves the bristles over 400 oscillations per second. This disperses liquid or powder product so that there are no clumps. The result is an airbrushed, flawless finish with minimal product. It also has antimicrobial life protection that reduces bacteria and keeps the bristles cleaner longer.
So for my nose, I'm going to go ahead and get this simple brush and take a streak of the medium color. I'm going to cover my nose and do one line, then one more line on the opposite side. And it kind of creates some dimension, helps the middle part of your nose stick out. And then I do any final last touch-ups and kind of go over all the spots that I was trying to hit. And then I'll use my Todd Sonicblend to help distribute and blend the product. Finally, I'm going to take the highlight shades. I typically like to use the yellow because I have a lot of blue undertones in my skin. So I'm going to take a separate new brush and just kind of sweep over those highlights. I try to hit the apples of my cheeks because that's where the bright light would naturally shine. Finally, I take my favorite mascara and do one last swipe in case any of the pigment from the contouring palette fell onto my eyelashes. I'm going to line my lips with MAC Soar. Last but not least, I'm going to use MAC Twig Over Soar lip liner. To wrap up my face, I just add a little bit of blush. I use MAC Orgasm. It's a famous color that is pretty universal for everyone, and I just tap it on the apples of my cheeks. And that's it. That's my quick tutorial for contouring with Todd Beauty. Thanks so much for watching. This is Audrey Duncan with The Audrey Real. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and find me on Instagram at The Audrey Real.
I received this product complimentary from Todd Beauty. All opinions are 100% my own.